Hey everyone, this is my do not open sticker. Pow! Today we got AirPods Pro, today, August 11th. It's my birthday, and I'm filming very awkwardly because I usually use my phone to film. So, right here I have a camera, right there I have a camera. Guess what camera this is? Oh wait, you can already see, wait, shoot. Okay, well I have an iPhone 6 right here, and iPhone XS Max here. So, first of all, should I do this? Because I could take these back and get Apple Care to them. Do I want Apple Care? Nah. Oh. I'm doing this. Oh. That was not as fancy as it could have been. Do I want Apple Care? Nah. Oh. I'm doing this. Oh. That was not as fancy as it could have been. The dramaticness. Sometimes Apple is too good. Wait, I want it cool though. Come on. First time opening them. Let's see, what do we got here? AirPods Pro. How to connect them. Right now I have AirPods 1 with me, AirPods Generation 1. I'm gonna sell these soon, but they were good for me for 2 years. These will probably last me another couple of years too. We got AirPods in their all their glory of packaging. We got that. Oh, we actually got USB-C to Lightning. Let's go. Actually need one of these. Oh, what's this? Oh, I forgot they got the little tips for. So, goodness, I'm so excited. Oh, you just slide them out. Goodness, I'm so excited. Oh, you just slide them out. Man, they feel so much newer. They feel so much like glossier than my right now. They want to like stick my hand on like these, or is it just because? No, my hands are just sweaty. No, but this is definitely the same. Oh my gosh, they are so amazing. No, this is definitely the same. Oh my gosh, they are so amazing. Bring my phone over here. AirPods Pro connecting. I believe they're already charged. Skip, I already know how AirPods Pro work. Oh, the case is at 26%. I've already charged these. Done. See how they look in my ear, because I do want to make AirPod Man when we're done with this, but pretty much they're pretty good. Oh my gosh. I never thought, okay, these ones are too big. I need to switch it. Oh my gosh, it's noise cancellating already. Phone's at 31%, but we can play something. I guess you guys probably have already seen a review of these, but yeah, but noise cancellation is pretty good. Let's try transparency. I can hear my snapping really well. Wow. Oh, my voice is so much more elevated. Wow, these are great. It was either buying these or waiting a year to get AirPods 2. Even if when AirPods 2 come out, I can just honestly sell these and get them for like 10 bucks basically. But I am actually selling my AirPods 1, so this will be my only day where I get to see both of my AirPods in one sitting. So, thank you guys for watching. I will have a review on these in the coming weeks. So, this is, yeah, my birthday present. You can say happy birthday in the comments if you want or no. But, when the video of these review comes out, I'll put it below the like button. And anyway, thank you guys for watching. Peace.